You'll wake up one day and realize it's already over. Not because of tragedy, not because the world turned against you, but because something far more dangerous stole your life, and you never saw it coming. It doesn't scream. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't force itself on you. It whispers. It waits. It makes you feel safe, and that's why it wins. Most people think the enemy is pain, failure, rejection, struggle. But pain doesn't kill you. Pain wakes you up, sharpens you, forces you to adapt. Pain proves you're alive. The real killer is comfort. Comfort is the slowest poison in human psychology. It doesn't destroy overnight. It rots you silently, like rust on steel. You don't notice until it's too late. It makes you trade the fire of life for the illusion of safety. It makes you surrender hunger for the hollow satisfaction of, I'm fine. Every time you say, I'll do it tomorrow. Every time you pick the couch over the grind. Every time you scroll instead of sit in silence. You're not resting. You're rehearsing your own death, brick by brick, excuse by excuse. You're building your cage. And the cruelest part? You're smiling while you do it. Comfort feels good, it feels like peace, but it's not peace, it's sedation. A drug. It numbs you enough to stop fighting but never fulfills you. It promises rest but delivers weakness. It promises safety but regret. It promises happiness but emptiness. It drains ambition, courage, hunger, your soul. Until one day you'll wake up and ask, where did my life go? And the brutal truth will cut you apart. You traded it, piece by piece, for nothing. Think of the people you admire, the strong, the respected, the great. Do you think they found it in comfort? Do you think they scrolled themselves into strength? Do you think they played it safe and stumbled into greatness? Number, they bled for it. They sacrificed. They faced rejection, failure, humiliation, and kept moving. Because pain builds strength, but comfort erases it. And you? You don't need chains, you don't need walls, you're already a prisoner, locked inside the invisible cage of your own habits. A cage built with your own hands. That's why comfort is the most dangerous enemy. It convinces you you're safe, but really means you're wasting your life. And when the years are gone, when your body weaker and time shorter, you won't be able to blame anyone, not society, not luck, not your parents, only yourself. Because comfort didn't steal your life. You gave it away, quietly, willingly, until nothing was left. So ask yourself, do you want to stay comfortable, safe, numb, invisible? Or do you want to change? Because you can. You can choose pain. You can choose growth. You can choose to live instead of exist. But no one can make that choice for you. Not me, not your friends, not your family. It's you, only you. And if you don't decide now, if you don't draw the line today, then understand this: you may never decide at all.